Hey guys, so in today's video, I just want to go over how to clean up dirty, disgusting wheels like these and how to make them shine like they're brand new. You can tell these are just so dirty. And you only need a couple things. The first thing you need is some mag and aluminum polish. I got Mother's. It doesn't really matter what brand. I also have a drill with a brush attachment for the polish and a towel to wipe away all that polish residue once you're done putting it on there. So let's get right into it. The first step is really simple. Get your drill and the brush and that polish, and I like to spin it just a little bit. And you only need about that much. A little goes a long way when you're polishing. So this is sped up, of course, and I just like to rub it on where I'm gonna start, and then start doing real small, fine strokes. And you need a lot of pressure to get the water spots out. This is what it's like whenever I wipe off all that polishing compound. And you can see I didn't hit it super hard. I needed more pressure. And you can always wipe it away and just see. But you can see the water spots right here. And there's some down here that aren't getting picked up by the camera. But really up here you can really see the water spots. But you can see it's really dirty. So I'll do it like a line down this wheel. And I'll cut it in half for you. Half of it will be dirty and half of it I'll get it all done. Alright, so as you can see, I cleaned half this wheel and it's nice and shiny. And this other half is still gross, but it's nice down here. You can see a few water spots, but it's a lot better than this side. This side, yeesh, it's bad, but it can still be brought back. So I'll go ahead and shine that right up. So I went ahead and polished up all of these other wheels, and I gotta say they're looking nice. This is that wheel where I cut it in half, looking good. The back wheels, they turned out pretty good. These were a little bit rougher because all the salt and other stuff. It helps to jack up your truck or car or whatever. That way you can spin the tires and you're not having to duck real low and get up underneath there. You can just spin them around. But I think they polished up pretty good, and all you need is a towel, your drill with that brush attachment, and some polishing compound. And this can all be picked up at a local O'Reilly's, AutoZone, even a hardware store. But thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.